DONYER Power 1500W Mini Electric Fireplace Tabletop Portable Heater, 14-foot, black, metal. Adjustable temperature for year-round use. The fireplace can be set to high, 1500W, low, 750W, or run without heating. This excellent perennial heater can be comfortably heated to 200 square feet, making it ideal for use in any room at any season. No noise, silent, electric fireplace with fan adds warmth and ambience to your interior. Energy saving, less energy than traditional wood, oil or gas fireplaces. MOCIFI 18-inch built-in electric fireplace insert heater, low noise, remote control, touch control screen, adjustable flame brightness and speed, 1000W, black. Efficient heating. The recessed electric fireplace heater provides effective heating up to help you save money, optimal for warming up the entire room. Plug in and use under a voltage of 120. Fireplace lantern and battery-operated USB-operated 6-hour timer included. Tabletop fireplace lantern, indoor-outdoor fireplace lamp, 1-pack, house shape, no heater, function size, 6.3 x 5.5 x 12-inch. New design decorative fireplace lanterns. The realistic fireplace lanterns requires 2C alkaline batteries to operate, which are not included or can also be operated with a USB cord, which is included. YAKii rectangle fireplace lantern, 6 super bright LEDs, 6 hours timer, battery operated, hanging sitting decoration, indoor and outdoor Christmas Day decoration, brown. Realistic fireplace lantern. Each fireplace lantern has 6 super bright LEDs, which give off bright dancing light, with the well-crafted glass front, shows a realistic fireplace effect. Excellent protective package. The whole lantern is surrounded by the poly foam. Protect the lantern away from breaking. Size. The lantern is 11 x 8 x 5 inch. Battery operated. The lantern requires 3C alkaline batteries to operate. Batteries are not included with the product.